This is the 2-ingredient gluten-free bread that I just adore because it's so simple, so delicious. And following the March recipe, I just want to go more simple, no machine, and just show you how easy it is. Beer and self-rising gluten-free flour. I add a dash of salt and I mix. I put into a tray, and please don't forget, for gluten-free bread you always have to have a tray with water so there is more moist. If you make this recipe, don't forget to hashtag it. I made Gabriela Libanio's recipe. I will leave the description below. Okay, let me take advantage that you are here and to ask you to please don't forget, subscribe to the channel. It's completely free. To like, to comment, and to share. We love that because it helps to grow the channel and make more and better recipes. Know that every time I bake, I will add some water so there is more moist for any gluten-free flours. And then, of course, don't forget that each country has their own humidity, the heat. It will make a difference in your baking. And voila, it's ready. Now the day can start.